Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to Balghari Kitchen. Today in Balghari Kitchen, I'm going to make another dessert, which is fruit custard. It's very easy to make in your home. You can use seasonal fruits. So I'm going to make today fruit custard in Balghari Kitchen. Keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Share to friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe Balghari Kitchen. Thank you for watching. So viewers, let me show you all the ingredients. Here I have custard powder. I'm going to use brown sugar. You can use white sugar. Cut some apples. Guava, I cut some pomegranates, blueberries, strawberries, banana, some orange. I removed the seeds. Some pistachios crush, and this is milk. This is the custard powder I'm going to use. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for fruit custard. So let's start, viewers. I'm going to add milk on the pan. Here I have pan. Let the milk to boil. Add sugar. Mix and let them to boil. And here custard powder I'm going to put in the milk and stir and nicely. Add the custard, which will dissolve in the milk slowly, and stir. Keep stirring. Keep stirring until it's coming thick. You can see it's coming thick. So look at this custard. If you're going to add white sugar, the color will be yellow, but I add brown sugar, so the color will be brown. Keep stirring until it will be thick, and we're going to switch off the flame. So we were thick now. Switch off the flame. It's nice. It's now time to dish out. I'm going to take, and we have here container. Add inside all, and let them cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. After it's cooled down, we are going to add all the fruits inside. Because the custard is already cooled down, so I'm going to add all the fruits. Apple, mix together all. Guava, banana, mix all together in custard. Strawberry, some orange, berries, and pomegranate. Mix together all nicely, and then again cool down for another 10 minutes. Look at this beautiful fruit custard is ready. Look at this, delicious. So now I'm going to add some pistachios on garnish, some strawberries on it, berries, pomegranate. So viewers, look at our fruit custard is ready. I'm going to taste definitely. So viewers, let me taste some fruit custard. Wow, looks this delicious. Yummy. Wow. For more videos, keep watching Balghari Kitchen, and on YouTube, subscribe Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family. And one thing I always request, don't forget to give your lovely comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day.